we've got visuals coming in from Israel. And the protesters, I mean, those sea of, Israel flags is something that is again not new. People have been talking about this judicial overhaul. There were comparisons that were made with the right-wing government over there and the ruling dispensation over here. But how sternly Netanyahu's far-right government is doing what it's doing in Israel is certainly a pain point for at least the people over there, and is a concern for the rest of the world as well, isn't it? I mean, take a look at that. The water gun clearly just hits the guy off that particular block. It's like you can't even raise a voice against the government anymore.
Well, that's what these rules are meant to be. Several newspapers have made it as a headline. Now, Bharat Times says Israel में सुप्रीम कोर्ट की ताकत कम करने का कानून बना, लोग सड़कों पर। विरोध प्रदर्शन के बीच इजराइल में न्याय व्यवस्था के सुधार के लिए लाए गए बिल पर संसद ने मुहर लगा दी है। वोटिंग के पहले इस बिल के विरोध में जोरदार प्रदर्शन हुए। So basically, what is happening is that because of these protests, the government wants to take action on it and wants to control the situation. Now, the highest judicial body, the Supreme Court of the country, its powers have been reduced, and the parliament, the Israeli parliament, actually ratified it. All of them agreed, including the opposition and the ruling party, that this Supreme Court's power should be reduced so that people can't go to the higher courts and stall the proceedings and maybe get away with that. So this rise of, well, that visual was actually, I mean, I had missed it in the first go, but the guy was completely blown away by that water cannon. Look at this. This is, taking the government head on, and the reaction, obviously.
I mean,
So
I
this
know
is
why you're
what we're
smiling.
talking
It
about.
looks a little funny, but
I mean,
big ups to the
we have,
man over there who took it on his chest, on his face. Well, we'll have to wait and
yes.
find out, how this entire judicial overhaul pans out in the state of Israel. There are several groups that are again planning to protest and rock Tel Aviv with the flags. They're not going to back down. If the government isn't backing down, the people aren't backing down either, Pankaj.